Hey, I'm super excited to share my latest creation with you to whisk away your mealtime woes with just a pinch of magic. Today, we're stirring things up in my proverbial kitchen cauldron, and I'm introducing the Kitchen Witch. This is really turning your oh crap, what's for dinner moments into hell yeah, let's eat. And I can't wait to show you some of her functionality. So, this is the Kitchen Witch, and let's just scroll down here. And today, I'm going to show you a couple of different uses for her. Now, you can get access to this for $10 a month, and it's going to save you so much time, stress, and headache. So let's click for the Kitchen Witch. And she can do all kinds of amazing things for you. Let's say it's the end of the day and you didn't plan dinner and you're like, crap, I need something quick, but I need something I can cook with what I have on hand. So let's think about what I have on hand. I've got some chicken tenders that are probably on their last days before the expiration date. So let's ask her to provide a 20-minute recipe, because I don't have time to slave over the stove, that uses chicken tenders. What else do I have? I have a package of gnocchi. And I have some grape tomatoes that are on their last legs and begging to be noticed. And I think I have some mozzarella. And as I'm looking at this, I think mozzarella would be delicious. Okay, so provide a 20-minute recipe that uses chicken tenders, gnocchi, grape tomatoes, and mozzarella. Are you ready to see what she can do? We have a winner. Look at this. Gnocchi, grape tomatoes, everything I asked for and very little else. Some fresh garlic, some basil leaves you could use dried, and salt and pepper. So not adding a ton of things that I need to go shop for. It's going to give me the entire recipe step by step, and there you have it, an impressive, delicious dish. Now, what makes the Kitchen Witch special? She's been specially trained to create easy, simple, delicious recipes. She has been trained with some of my own expertise as a mealtime relationship mentor and home chef. And she's been taught to only give you limited information at a time. What do I mean by that? I mean, when you search Google, you get like 2,000 responses to choose from. This is going to give you just a few short recommendations, often only one. So there's all kinds of different things you can do with it. So this was, give me a recipe based on what I have around and in my house, right? Let's say you want to do meal planning and grocery shopping. You could tell her, give me a 3-night meal plan for dinner. Our family is dairy free. And I only have 30 minutes to cook dinner each night. Okay. Now, you can also tell her, provide recipes followed by a grocery list. This, when I say you can do your meal planning and make your grocery list in 5 minutes, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Are you ready? I think this is the coolest. I don't know, I think I'm going to get really spoiled. So not only does this give you new recipes to try, because I often hear, if I just had a quick recipe, if I could just find a quick recipe with what I have on hand, if I just had this recipe collection, if I just knew it only had 5 ingredients or only took 15 minutes, you can tell her to do all of these things for you, give you the meal plan and the grocery list, and then you're done. 5 minutes. You guys look at this. And the time it took me to do this video, we have a 3-night meal plan, and we have the grocery list. And we've been able to pull up a recipe for exactly what I have on hand to cook for tonight. I hope you can see how much time this will save you, how much fun and creativity you can have with her. Maybe you want to look for a Moroccan dish, a Mexican dish, you're craving Italian. So many different ways that you can use her. Now, the last way I'm going to show you today is you're getting ready to cook a recipe and you realize that your green onions are maybe expired. They're gross, slimy. So what is an easy substitution for green onions? chives, scallions. If you need the onion for its crunch, you can substitute an onion. It's going to give you a few substitutions. Again, not 50,000 Google searches and results, but a few solutions that you can choose from. So these are just a few ideas. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What are questions you would ask the kitchen witch? What's functionality that you're looking for? And what do you think she can do for you? I'll be sure to put the link below so that you can get access to your own kitchen witch for $10 a month. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you solve all your mealtime challenges to save you time, stress, energy, so that you can spend more time connecting with your family.